As promised, this is part 2 of the video series. If you could have an app for free, what would it be? In the first video we posed the question, if you could have an app for free, what would it be based on what work you do, if you work in a business, if you own a business. If you could have any app you wanted, what would it be? Didn't really receive a lot of comments in the first video, but hopefully we'll get some in this video. In the comment section you can also ask any questions about Office 365 or PowerApps. We'll be happy to answer it for free. So please do leave the comments if you have any questions. So in this second video we're going to cover an app. So first of all, let me just start at the beginning. If you didn't see it in the first video, to access PowerApps and the free app that I'm going to demonstrate for you now, you can either go to your home screen. It might be there on your Office 365 account. If you don't have an Office 365 account, I'm going to leave a link to a video on how to create an Office 365 account down in the comments below. But you can either access it from your home screen of Office 365, or you can go to all apps on your home screen, find it there, or you can go to the app launcher in its top left hand corner and go to all apps and find PowerApps there, and that's how you access it. I've already got it open, so we're going to go there. Yesterday we created the budget tracker, and today I was looking at Service Desk. So this app, once again, you go to PowerApps, you can go to Create, you scroll down, you go to Start from Template, you go to All, and you say Service Desk app. You can create either a tablet or a phone app. We're again going to stick with the tablet because I think we need some space. And we're going to rename it to Service Desk Newfangled, or NF. And we're going to create it. Now this app, while it's creating, can be used for two purposes. If you're a large company, you can use it for queries that happen within your organization. So if there's a whole bunch of users or employees that need to be supported by either IT or HR or any sort of department that serves the internal staff, you can use it for that. Or you can use it for customers. And those queries can come either from a form on your website or from email. So you can link that to this application so that the queries come straight into the application. Yesterday, or in the previous video, I didn't cover something very important. These apps can be linked to any database or data source, including Excel. So it's very easy to connect data to these applications. So if you have any questions about that, please don't hesitate to comment. Okay, so it's created the app, it's opened it. All we have to do, because we want to use this app just as it is, again, this can be customized for a specific company or user, or sometimes we build this app out to multiple departments separately. So it is very customizable. But in this case, I'm showing you a free version of it, meaning that you're not going to customize it, you can use it the way it is. So we're going to save this app. That's all we have to do. Save as. We've already got a name. I'm going to save it to the cloud, and we save. So now I'm going to save the app. So again, you can share it with other users with if you've got Office 365, but we're not going to do that in this video. Okay, so we can close it now. We've created the app. So if we now go to apps, we can see there Service Desk has been created. Again, we can click on it from here. And there we go, we've got the app. So from here we can create new tickets created by, so this will be accessed by the user, and we can create tickets. Maybe the users are phoning in, and then we can actually capture the tickets, and then sort of follow them or track the progress or track the tickets. So on the left hand side you've got all tickets, you've got any new tickets being today, tickets that are on progress, tickets on hold, and then at the top you can see how many tickets you've got of each, so that we can work through the tickets and complete them as they come. And that's your Service Desk, free app on Microsoft using PowerApps. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.